is off the Rattlesnake in My Bed album. This is called Texas on My Mind. It's 200 miles from Marble Falls to Dallas. Backing in my truck and see Willie one last time. I got Southern California in my blood, but I got Texas on my mind. Sunny beaches of North County, Waspins, rolling hills and towns. I got Southern California in my blood, but I got Texas on my mind. Change is alive, change of scenery, bridging the gap, who I wanna be. With the sand and the sea behind me, headed for those good old lost times. And I got Southern California in my blood, but I got Texas on my mind. Change is alive, change of scenery, bridging the gap, who I wanna be. Change is alive, change of scenery, bridging the gap, who I wanna be.
Howdy. Thank you.